Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I want to talk about something that's been concerning me for a little while actually, and that's about Durianrider's lifestyle. Now, I've been following Durianrider's plan for a couple of months now, and I think everybody knows that Durianrider promotes eating a ton of refined sugar, even if it is organic. Now, I've been trying that. I've been getting up and I've been putting that into my cereals, adding it to smoothies and things like that. And I tell you something, it's not working for me. Maybe it's just me, but I thought, I'm going to try and find out some more information and just see, well, is there a reason why it's not working for me? My symptoms is sort of like the biggest indicator of why it's not working for me. So, like when I eat lots and lots of sugar, I actually don't have the energy to get up and do lots of exercise and, and actually go out there and just go running. So, or cycling as well. Like it does give me sort of a boost straight away, but then soon after that I literally feel so tired I just want to lay there and fall asleep. It's not actually what you want from this kind of lifestyle. You want to have the energy to go and do the things that you love. So, I did some research into this, and thankfully I did find something that was credible. So, a new scientific study has been taken out at Cambridge University that showed that sugar inhibits orexin. Now, orexin is basically a brain chemical that keeps you feeling awake and motivated. So what they're saying is sugar is stopping that. And they did this test with refined sugars as well, not like whole foods. So yeah, the study showed that eating complete protein foods high in amino acids actually boosted the orexin chemicals within the brain. So that means that you need to be eating more amino acid foods. So that would be high protein plant-based foods. So, the scientific studies out there saying, contrary to what people actually believed, eating sugar, thinking, I'm going to have loads of energy and, you're going to get a sugar rush straight away, but, you're soon going to crash. So, this orexin will actually boost your metabolism and help you lose weight while giving you the energy to go and work out and not having any crash at all. So, it's not about just consuming loads and loads of protein. It's not just necessarily about that, because everybody knows that, you don't need that much protein anyway. But, like consuming refined sugar at first gives you this sugar rush. So what happens after that? Well, the pancreas releases adrenal hormones, which gives you that stimulating effect, that sugar rush, but then is followed by a crash, leaving you tired and lethargic. So, like saying that, sugar isn't a stimulant, I think you'll find that it actually is, because it's releasing those adrenal hormones to try and process the sugar, and that's why your pancreas basically shuts down after that, and you go all tired and sleepy because it's trying to process all these sugars straight away. And not only with that, excess sugar actually thickens the blood, and when your blood's thicker, that you can have disease state condition that way. So things are slowly moving, and that's also extra pressure for the heart as well. So I think if you're someone like Durianrider and Freely, who are sort of like on an athletic level, I think you will actually benefit from eating the more sugars and the more carbohydrates, because your glycogen stores are going to be running low, and you're going to need to top them up pretty quickly to go and perform as well as you did the time before, or to try and perform better. So you know, if you're an athlete, I can see where consuming the sugars can actually help you, but you know, for a longevity reason, I don't actually agree that it will work for you. You know, like I'm not an athlete. I do work out a couple of times a week, and when I do, I've actually found that you know this new protein thing actually gives me more sustained energy, and you know I don't feel like crashing straight afterwards. You know, like I'm all ready to go to the gym, and then you know I eat all these carbs, and then I'm like, oh, I'm drained. I don't want to now. So I'm not talking about eating fruits, and I'm not talking about just eating fruits and vegetables and smoothies and things like that. I'm talking about adding sugar to cereals, adding sugars to fruits, to smoothie and things like that. You know, you've got to leave these foods in that whole state to actually benefit completely. So you have the minerals and the fibre and the life force basically. So yeah, you know, along with that as well, sugar actually triggers excessive insulin. And you know, Durianrider himself said that insulin is the #1 reason for gaining mass. So it's a bit contradictory, but hey, the research is out there, and that's scientific research. I'm going to post a link down below with this actual study so that you can read it yourself. So yeah, you know, I think you know we've got to look at things in the whole, in the natural. You know, if you go out and you want some sugar, you go and find some sugar cane. You know, the refined stuff's been stripped from its natural cellular formation, so it's denatured in essence. You know, you don't go out in the forest and find bags of sugar just lying around. Oh, look, there's some bags of sugar. Oh yes, oh, I've got loads of energy. No, you need to be having the whole food. It's created that way so that we have a whole feeling inside. So I find that you know, just avoiding the sugar completely now has changed my energy levels completely. So you know, like with my videos, I don't just like to complain about things. I like to give you guys an actual solution. So you know, what I would suggest, if this isn't working for you, then you need to adopt some more plant-based complete proteins. You know, animal proteins are the ones that have actually been shown to degenerate cells and cause disease. But this is not so with plant-based proteins, okay, complete ones. So you know, greens are the #1 source of vegan protein, as they also contain the blood regenerating chlorophyll. They also help oxygenate the blood and thin it slightly, so that you know, and actually these greens contain sugars as well, so you're getting the protein and the sugar. So it creates a nice long-lasting energy effect. So yeah, along with the greens, we've got things like non-GMO soy, organic. You've got hemp seeds, chia seeds. You've got all kinds of beans as well. Broad beans are very good. Quinoa, rice. So you can still get your carbs in, guys. And one of my favourites actually, which is a complete protein, is spirulina and wheatgrass powder. So yeah, you can take that, and since I've started taking that, my energy has basically changed. It's gone through the roof. So yeah, you know, I'm not necessarily advocating a high protein diet. What I'm saying is, guys, that you need to mix more plant-based proteins with your carbohydrates. So as well as carbing up, you need to go out and protein up as well. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, if you have any comments or critics, then leave them down below in the comments section. And please subscribe to these videos, and I'll see you guys soon with some more great information. Take care of yourselves, and enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Goodbye.